Hello everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In our channel, we show you how to use various applications and services throughout the internet. And in today's video, I will show you how to sign up for OnlyFans. So make sure to follow through the entire video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel Tech Helpline and ring the notification bell for more useful uploads. So let's get started. Open the web browser on a device and go to onlyfans.com. Here, tap Sign Up for OnlyFans. You can sign up for OnlyFans using your email address, Twitter account, and your Google account. In this video, I will be using my email address. So, enter your name, your email address, and create a password for your account. Remember that you need to be at least 18 years old to create an OnlyFans account. Tap Sign Up. Next, you must verify your email address. So tap Verify Email and tap Send Confirmation. OnlyFans will send you an email to confirm your email address. So open the mail and tap Here. So that's how you sign up for OnlyFans. If the video was helpful, please leave a like and mention your feedback in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and we will see you in the next one.